Convenience store onigiri versus homemade. Which is better? That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. Right. Okay, so I shared with you about onigiri. So today I will talk about the differences between convenience store onigiri and homemade ones. When you come to Japan, there are many convenience stores and they sell onigiri like these. Yeah, this is the typical onigiri you get at a convenience store. Yeah, usually it's wrapped in a package like this. Yeah, and then I shared with you the homemade onigiri like this, the one that is made at home. So now, one difference is the shape. Convenience store onigiri has a kind of triangular shape. Yeah. While homemade one can be triangular or it can be round shape like that or like a bale shape like that. Yeah. Now, this is because, so originally there are three different shapes in Japanese onigiri: round shape, or bell shape, or triangular shape. Yeah. It changes depending on the region. Like in Kanto, often the triangular shape was more common, but in Kansai or the West Japan, bell shape, yeah, this kind of bell shape was more common. Yeah. But in the rural area of East Japan, including Kanto, the round shape onigiri was popular. Right. Now, so originally, onigiri was kind of symbol of mountains, Japanese mountains. And mountains, sometimes it's kind of round, sometimes it's triangular. Yeah, that's why they have different shapes. Yeah. And the reason why we made onigiri to be like a mountain shape is because it was considered to be a soul food. It was considered to be a sacred food. And then mountain is a symbol of God in Japan. I talked about Shugendo, this kind of mountain Japanese spiritual practices. So they often train up in the mountain. So mountains are sacred area. Yeah. Therefore, since onigiri is a sacred food, it shape like that of a mountain. Yeah. Okay. Now, but usually the one that sold at convenience stores are mostly triangular shape. Now, the another difference is, the one like that is obviously factory produced. Yeah. That's why they can make such a perfect kind of a shape of a triangular. Plus, it's completely wrapped. Yeah. Everything is made in a factory. Yeah. While homemade one it is handmade. Yeah. Now, if you think about sacredness of onigiri, yeah, I mean, how can you make it sacred if it's factory produced and it mass produced too? So homemade one definitely is better in that sense. It's because you are putting your key, your kind of your love into making the process. So it is a lot more sacred than a factory produced onigiri. And the last difference is the ingredient. Yeah. Um, so I'll show you the opened one. So that's the convenience store onigiri. So usually it is like white rice. They use white rice, and then you cannot really choose the ingredient that much. Yeah. But if you make onigiri at home, then you get to use fermented brown rice or white rice if you like. Yeah. And then you can also choose the ingredient inside. If you're vegetarian, then you can pick some vegetarian ingredients as well. Right. Um, and usually when you eat a convenience store onigiri, so it comes with this kind of package and you have to open it. And to open it, it says number. Here is one, and then two, and then three. So you open it in that order. So you do like that first, and then you, yeah, then you pull the number two side this way, and then three. Yeah, and it becomes like that, and it's sort of, yeah, becomes like that. Yeah, then you eat it. Yeah, but as you can see, it is like everything is kind of, I don't know, pack like sort of factory produced. Yeah. Mm. But if you're traveling in Japan, you don't have much choice because you cannot really make your own onigiri, right? So you have to buy one at the convenience store, or you can actually go to a supermarket and you can buy the similar type of onigiri. Or sometime in the supermarket you find like homemade looking like round shape onigiri. Mostly it is white rice though, but occasionally you can find a brown rice onigiri too. Not fermented brown rice onigiri, but regular brown rice onigiri. Sometimes you can find one. Yeah. Okay. So I'll try to eat it. First of all, this convenience store onigiri. Mm, then the homemade one. Mm, okay. Mm. But anyway, when you come to Japan, you can try eating onigiri. I mean, you can buy one at the convenience store or supermarket, or sometimes there are some onigiri shop as well, right? Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Have you ever eaten convenience store onigiri? Thank you. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Live with you, Ikigai!